I'm excited to introduce to you a new feature for Hyperice X called offline mode. Offline mode now gives you the ability to use your Hyperice X when you do not have access to your phone. For example, if you don't have your phone near you, if you want to use your Hyperice X on a plane, or if you're in a location that does not have any data. To navigate into offline mode, simply short press to turn the device on, and you can see it's on by the pulsing of the green LED. This means that the device is now in standby state, and at this point you could connect to the device via our app to set the exact temperature for your cold, hot, or contrast therapy setting. Now I'm going to show you how to get into the offline mode. Once you're in the standby state, press and hold that button for 2 seconds, and then you can short press to cycle between the 3 modalities, and at the end it'll go back into standby state. If you wanted to enter back into offline mode, you would simply repeat those steps. Let me walk you through what each light signifies on the device. When you first turn it on, green is standby, blue is cold, orange is heat, and purple is contrast. If you get into a low battery state, the LED would also pulse yellow. Now let me show you how to start a cold therapy session. Short press to turn the device on, then press and hold that button for 2 seconds. You can see that the LED goes blue, that signifies a cold therapy session. The device would automatically start after 2 seconds. This mode has a standard 15-minute session. Now let me show you how to start a heat therapy session. Short press to turn the device on, then press and hold that button for 2 seconds. Press one more time to cycle over to heat therapy, signified by the orange LED, and the device would automatically start after 2 seconds. This mode has a standard 15-minute session. And lastly, let me show you how to start a contrast therapy session. Short press to turn the device on, then press and hold that button for 2 seconds. Short press twice to navigate over to the contrast therapy session. After 2 seconds, the device will automatically start with a cold therapy session. For this contrast therapy mode, you have 5 minutes of cold therapy and it automatically switches to 5 minutes of heat. It does this twice for a total session of 20 minutes. And there you go. That's how you navigate the new offline mode feature for Hyperice X. If you have any questions, reach out to our Hypercare team for support. Thanks.